Good morning from Lanzarote, here at Playa Flamingo by the Lovelocks. We're going to go and have a look at the Playa Flamingo Hotel, but before that I thought I'd show you the beautiful sunrise and these Lovelocks and ask you what you think of the Lovelocks. Here they are, look. So people put these all over the island with their names on and things like that. So the question is, are they a menace? Are they vandalism, or are they a nice touch? Now, they did cut quite a few off around the islands. I know in Porto del Carmen especially, because there was just so many of them. So what are your thoughts? Drop us a comment and tell us what you think. Oh, the camera's just gone a bit wonky there, hasn't it? So this is the Playa Flamingo Hotel, the TUI Blue. Now, it used to be the TUI Holiday Village, but that's now gone to the Rio Hotel, which is the one opposite the Aqualava. But this place is gorgeous. It's located just by the beach here, and we're going to come up the back way. So there it is, TUI Blue Flamingo Beach. So imagine stopping in those. If you can book those with a sea view, swing it round, that's what you get. Amazing, eh? So the TUI Blue. Now, I think it's a Scandinavian hotel in the winter time, which I suppose we're moving into winter now. But I know a lot of British, Irish people, Scottish people and people from sort of the UK and Ireland area did once spend the holidays here with TUI, with all the entertainment. So I'm not sure what it is now. If you know, drop us a comment. So once again, we're doing this video for Travel On World, which is the channel you're on now, or you might be on Visit Lanzarote. So we've joined teams with JR, great guy who does some fabulous videos around Lanzarote. So if you're on Travel On, head over to Visit Lanzarote. If you're on Visit Lanzarote, head over to Travel On. There you go. So these look like they're the apartments. Nice little apartments that you can stay in, and it stretches quite far, so there's quite a few along the way, and you've got the ones up there that overlook the pool, which we're going to go and have a look at now. So here we are, top of the hill. I'm out of breath already. So here's the top of the hill, and you've got your bar area there where they do all the entertainment, and then this is the pool area. So I'll tell you what we'll do. We'll go bar first, then pool, and go and take a look. So here we go. It's early morning. That's why the sun's coming up. Well, obviously you all know that, don't you? That's what happens in the morning. So no, I don't want to tread on somebody's floor, but let's have a nose. Who cares? So this is where they do the entertainment. Look, this is the bar, and they have the shows on in here. I'm not sure if it's the TUI entertainment. It used to be, like I said. And then down this area is where the restaurant is. So this looks pretty cool. Let's go take a nose. Here we go. This is the restaurant for breakfast. A few people up already for the morning. That looks nice. You got your restaurant area there. And back up, we're going to have a little wander around the pool. So don't forget, if you come into Lanzarote and you've got any questions, what to do, where to go, what's the best place, then just drop us a comment or head over to our website, excursionslanzarote.com. Got a full list of what's open. You can book, and we'll put a link down below as well, and you can book there as well. But on there we've got a live chat which will come through to one of our team of experts. We'll be able to answer any questions about absolutely anything, really. Take a sneak down here to the pool. No, we won't. We'll go the other way. So there you go. Now, one thing that does strike me about this place is you've got all these apartments, which is great, but this appears to be the only pool. I don't know if there's another one. I have had a little wander around, but I don't know. It's only a small pool, as you can see. Not many towels out, so nobody's reserving. Which I know a lot of people can't stand that when people reserve sunbeds. There's a few here, look. Nice little kids area here. Maybe there's a pool down that way. We'll go and have a look in a minute. And up there, you've got the reception area. Let's go and have a little wander around this pool and see what we can find. So there's people up and about, which is nice to see on a Friday morning. That'd be a nice little place to stay there, right by the pool. A few towels here, look. Oh, somebody's just reserved 6 sunbeds down there. Ah, there is another pool. There is another pool. Let's go take a look. There's some of the views that you get from here. There we go. Ah, there's another 2 pools. I can see one in the distance. So there you go. That answers my question. There's actually this pool here, which looks like more of a swimming pool rather than a play pool. And then just in the distance there, you've got another pool. I'm going to try and head up to reception and see what we can see. Let's have a look. Great for the kids, look, you got all the little slides and stuff. So if you have got kids, you can sort of sit around there and let them go absolutely wild while you chill out and relax. Now we always do our videos in the morning time because well, there's not many people around, and can you imagine me walking around with a camera talking to myself? I'd look like a bit of a weirdo, wouldn't I? So rather than scare the lovely Lanzarote visitors, we do it in the morning. Morning. See, they're wondering what the hell's this guy doing. Let's have a little peek in reception. I've got to be careful in here because they might kick us out. And here's the reception area. There we go. Lovely reception area as well. And we'll take a walk out the front door. And this is what you're faced with at the front. So that way leads you down to Playa Blanca town. Look at that beautiful sunrise. That way leads you up to Aqualava, the water park. About a 2-minute walk, if that. And then you've got the Timber Fire Palace in the background there, and the way down to the beach. So there you go, Flamingo Beach Resort, TUI Blue. Please like and comment, ask any questions, anything you want, and don't forget to subscribe to our channels, and we'll keep you up to date on anything to do with Lanzarote. See you soon.